Naghahanap ka ba ng sulit at abot kaya na property? At gusto mo rin ng modern na design? If yes, don't skip this video. This is Pao Pipito, your home search buddy. Meron itong minimum lot size na 54 square meters. Kaya naman meron tayong provision for one carport. Ang maganda nga sa unit natin na to ay expanded na to. At covered na rin ang ating carport. Kaya naman makakatipid kayo for home renovation cost. Kasama na rin na pan turnover ang ating tiles sa ground floor at aesthetic na rin ang ating kitchen countertop. Meron itong 2 toilet and bath with complete fixtures at naka-tiles na rin ito. Located ito sa Barangay Hugo Perez, 13 Martires, Cavite. Halos boundary nga lang ito ng General Trias at malapit rin ito sa ginagawang bypass road going to General Trias, Cavite. Kaya naman few minutes drive na lang tayo papuntang Cavite Laguna Expressway. Ang floor area nito ay 71 square meters. Napaka-spacious at may provision for 3 bedrooms. Semi-finished turnover. Ang advantage nito ay mako-customize ninyo ang sukat at layout ng mga rooms. At meron pa tayong toilet and bath sa second floor. Available din ang ating corner at end units for only 20,000 monthly. At meron tong extra lot sa side na pwede nyong gamitin for future home expansion. Monthly down payment for 36 months is 16,230.33. Estimated monthly amortization for 30 years is 14,759.76. Kaya naman kung interesado ka sa ating pre-selling property, send me direct message para ma-schedule na natin ang exclusive house viewing mo. So, bye-bye!